equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the keyboard and battery on the HP 340-8G5 laptop. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Next, we will need to remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the screws located at the back of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be careful not to damage any clips while doing this. With the back cover removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect it by gently pulling it out of its socket. Now, you can replace the old battery with the new one. Make sure the new battery is securely connected before proceeding. Now, let's move on to the keyboard replacement. Flip the laptop over and locate the keyboard screws, which are usually found at the top of the keyboard. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process too challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, use the spudger to carefully lift the keyboard from its position. Be cautious of any ribbon cables attached to the keyboard. Disconnect these cables gently to avoid any damage. If you're unsure about handling these components, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home, which makes it easy to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. After removing the old keyboard, take your new keyboard and connect the ribbon cables securely. Once connected, place the keyboard back into its slot and screw it in place using the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tight and secure. Before reassembling the laptop, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and other areas. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover. Finally, insert the new battery back into its compartment and slide the battery latch back into place. Power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the keyboard and battery on your HP 340-8G5. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us for support. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.